So I'm currently on the metro right now. I'm about to go link up with Sylvia, and her sister are gonna teach me how to make Baozi. So I'm pretty stoked. I'll meet up with her soon. I'm ready. Teach me, Sylvia.
Yeah, just do like this.
And just start chopping them?
Yeah. So cut the back.
That's some yeast. Mix the flour over
你得
there.
拿那个什么东西让它开，先开一下，再打开了之后，什么呀？就是那个。
没关系，没关系，你就先让它放吧。
Okay, so Sylvia's mom was saying apparently the technique, you have to get all the flour off the rest of the bowl and your hand just by then kneading the dough. Oh, and just let it sit? Oh. Wait, me?
Do it.
Okay. So cute. So cute. Oh, he's trying to climb out. Little boy pooped on my hands. The dough got way bigger. Whoa.
Look at my mom. He's like a rolling. I can do it. I don't know how to do it.
现在教咱们分包。
Almost there.
My first Baozi.
It's the king.
Hard work paid off. These four are mine. This beautiful one is Mama. Yeah, right?
Yeah.
So how do we cook them?
You'll see.
They came out the Baozi looking
extra thick.
包呢还没蒸呢。
不是，他还包了其他的更丑的。
Just finished dinner, absolutely stuffed. Thanks to Sylvia, and I got these 2 bags to go. That's breakfast and lunch, y'all. Best Uber driver ever.